Hello and welcome to Crypto Exposed. How to create ChatGPT plugins, unlock the power of AI and blockchain. Okay, so I've done a video not long ago about a plugin that had come out with regards to Hedera. And yeah, I said this before, look, you guys might not think that this is that big of a deal right now, but what you've got to understand is how big of a deal AI is going to be in the future. And while this might be, just small plugins right now, this the odd little thing, the things that this could grow to do, to me, is going to be incredible. Like, these might be just small plugins right now, but again, just like with crypto, we're still in the very early stages of AI, right? If you think of the things that you can do with ChatGPT right now, right? And this is still like the early stages of it, right? So think of what it could do in the future. So yeah, right now with blockchain technology and cryptos, it might not be that it can do a whole load of things right now, but as people continue to work on this kind of thing and develop it, who knows what the potential could be, right? And this is where it's great because they're giving people the chance to develop their own plugin. So who knows, there could be someone who creates a plugin within their industry that makes their job much easier using blockchain technology, like that kind of thing. So who knows what could be created off of the back of this. All this takes is people's creativity, right? And the know how to create it, right? So I really do think this is big. I don't really think this is something that should be taken lightly at all. I think this is expanding on just blockchain technology and AI technology. And we already know how big both are. They're both the greatest two latest innovations in I don't know how many years. So to me, this will only be a good thing if you ask me. So let's get into the article and we can discuss this further. Artificial intelligence, in brackets AI, and blockchain. AI and blockchain are two technological trends that have captured everyone's attention. But what are these trends all about? AI is about autonomous systems that can learn, make decisions, and adapt. Blockchain is a secure and immutable way to record transactions or digital interactions. The learning aspect of AI, coupled with blockchain's immutable nature, introduces a revolutionary change in how data can be processed and utilized. The intersection of AI and blockchain will most likely impact various sectors. For instance, in healthcare, AI can analyze securely stored patient records for personalized treatment, while blockchain ensures the integrity of the data. In finance, smart contracts combined with the AI-driven decision-making can automate processes, from simple transactions to complex investments. In supply chain management, AI can optimize routes and reduce costs, while blockchain provides data transparency, traceability, and immutability. These are a few examples of systems that will have the ability to not only solve increasingly complex problems, but to adapt and improve continually as the AI interacts with and learns from securely stored data. This combination of technologies unlocks opportunities for smarter, more efficient solutions across countless industries. Understanding ChatGPT and Hedera. ChatGPT needs no introduction, but here it is. It's a conversational AI tool capable of understanding and responding to text inputs in a human-like manner. Plugins enhance its functionality even further. They act as add-ons equipping ChatGPT with extra capabilities, like specialized knowledge or specific task performance. This makes ChatGPT adaptable to a wide array of unique needs and applications. For example, a plugin could enable ChatGPT to convert currencies in real time, integrate with a calendar system to manage appointments, or retrieve and process data from a blockchain. In this article, you will create a plugin that interacts with the Hedera network. Hedera is a decentralized, open-source, proof-of-stake, EVM-compatible public ledger. For simplicity, you can call it a blockchain. Hedera uses a leaderless consensus algorithm, which gives the network the highest degree of security and performance mathematically possible. In addition, the network is governed by a collusion-resistant, decentralized council of leading enterprises, universities, and Web3 projects from around the world. This council includes organizations like Google, Boeing, IBM, Ubisoft, Dell Technologies, London School of Economics, and more. The decentralized network offers services, in brackets with APIs, and tooling that facilitate development of Web3 components and applications. More specifically, the main services are Hedera Consensus Service, in brackets HCS, verifiable timestamping and ordering of events for any software application. Hedera Token Service, in brackets HTS, create, mint and manage native fungible and non-fungible tokens, in brackets NFT, with or without smart contracts. And Smart Contract Service, build and deploy Solidity smart contracts, EVM compatible. In terms of Hedera's value and uniqueness, this cutting-edge technology and well-governed network enables you to meet and exceed technical requirements with your software implementations in the areas of performance, cost, security, reliability, and sustainability. The Hedera services enable you to create new use cases for your business or project that integrate with many of the development languages and frameworks you are already familiar with, whether you come from traditional web development or from the Web3 development world. Now that you know about ChatGPT and Hedera, let's start building. Here's a preview of the end result. So I'm not going to go too much into that because this is where you're just looking at code and stuff like that. So, this is the stuff that we don't really want to see because we're not trying to create a plugin right now. But yeah, look at what I was saying, right? It's just echoing everything that I said earlier. These kind of plugins adding AI technology it really is just absolutely maximizing the potential of what AI can bring with the blockchain. We already know the great things that blockchain technology can bring us alone, right? We're already very aware of that. So now just adding the fact that you've actually got AI as well, that you're talking about two huge game-changing innovation technologies, and them two pairing up with each other, the opportunities that can bring for so many industries is just endless. And this is the thing, as I said earlier, AI is still in its very early stages. So think as things actually develop even more, and the other types of things it will then be able to do, the other types of plugins that you'll be able to create. I'm telling you guys, this is huge. It really is. And it's great that they're making this open to just the average person. Like, anybody can do this right now. Anybody could create a plugin, right? Anybody could make the next huge plugin that an industry so desperately needs. Your opportunity is here. So if you guys want to have a play around with it, it's on the Hedera website. It's on their latest blog, so just feel free to go and check that out. And if you want to have a look and see if you could go about doing a plugin, then feel free to have a dabble in it. I've never personally done that kind of stuff. I'm not great with code or anything like that, so it's not something I'd really be interested in doing. But it's great to know that the opportunity is there, that if I wanted to learn about code and do this kind of thing, it's great to know that I can if I want to. So yeah, this isn't something to be underestimated in my opinion. I really do think this is real big stuff, and it's great to see that Hedera are opening these kind of opportunities and bringing out these kind of things, because again, it's just continuing to add to the limitless potential that Hedera can have, and adding then with AI as well. Now look, yes, is it scary in terms of where AI could go? Yeah, of course, people losing jobs and stuff like that. But look, I look at this whole thing with AI, it's the same thing as CBDCs. It's happening whether you like it or not. AI is here. The cat's out the bag. We can't take it back now. It's just here. So the best thing you can do is try and capitalize off it. That's the best thing I say personally. Same thing as CBDCs. It's just one of those things. It's inevitable at this point. But what do you guys think? Hedera now allowing people to create ChatGPT plugins. Do you think this is going to be great for Hedera overall, or do you not think it's something that's great? Is this something that you'd be interested in? Is this something that you'd actually try and do? Would you want to make a plugin yourself personally? Or is this something that you're not so interested in? And yeah, maybe just from a human aspect, you're a bit scared of the things that this could bring in terms of AI. I know that a lot of people do feel that way, and I completely understand that. But as I said before, I do think it's kind of inevitable, so it's not something we can avoid at this point. But yeah, I'd definitely be interested to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.